I found out that it was an institution co-founded by Maria Bielikova, which was a very famous name in our field. So I knew that this institute will work with external partners and applied projects. So that was the first thing that I realized that I would like to do.
The reason I applied to KInIT was the KInIT provided world-class mentors from top universities around the world. I couldn't find anything like that in this area. Also, the freedom of choosing my research topic, and KInIT covers every area in artificial intelligence or machine learning. So it was really easy for me to find out something I really care about and I'm passionate. In my research, I'm evaluating recommender systems algorithms without need to deploying them to production. For example, in Amazon you have a lot of traffic and imagine that you would have a new algorithm you'd want to put into the user, but you don't really know how it behaves and what it does and how would users react to that. You don't want to actually provide to your users something bad. So it's a really hot topic for research to do it actually offline without providing it to the user in real time. And every big company wants that. Branyo is really top-class researcher. He was working for Intel, Adobe, Google, and now for Amazon. In his work, he really made a huge contributions in the area of reinforcement learning and now in the whole area of data exploration for actually evaluating recommender systems and to make this whole problem much better.
I have an external mentor, which is Professor Jana Košecka. She's professor in George Mason University. The name of my dissertation thesis is natural language processing, but my external mentor is also working with computer vision. So I kind of combined it together and I'm working on multimodal processing, including language and images. For me, it is really great advantage that I did not have specified the topic of dissertation, but the output is not really set yet. It could be something with fake news recognition using also images, not just text, but it could be explainability of the models or learning if the models actually understand what we are trying to tell them. The biggest advantage for me is definitely the thing that KInIT let me learn new things that I didn't study before. So changing of my department was the biggest advantage for me.
My colleagues are top class and only being with them in the office and listening to their conversations is really something that brings me further. You're really responsible for yourself and you don't have really a lot of checkups and you have a lot of freedom what to do with your time, and it's really motivating to work the hardest on yourself. The ambition the people here have is something that don't make you satisfied with only mediocre results. KInIT is very friendly and supports diverse culture, and I personally really enjoy talking to any other colleagues, and I think I have much to learn from any different angle from every one of them. So for me personally, it is a really nice benefit that you can find a lot of diverse people with diverse backgrounds here, and you can push yourself further in any dimension.
I know I want to have an impact on society, hopefully the good one. I would like to help people with their problems, which could be anything from environment to fake news. So I know it's not really specific. Maybe I will stay at KInIT, maybe I will go to teach at university where I could work again with academics and publish research, or I could turn into some other institute that is working for government. So there are many options after a PhD, and I don't have a strict line that I would like to follow.
Currently I'm thinking about doing whether basic or applied research in some institution or some big company. But what I actually value is that it doesn't close my doors to other spheres like academia or industry or anything in between.